Yo, what's going on, crew? So one thing I want to mention is this is the first time I actually ran Erwin Mill since, dude, it had to be 2012, yeah, around 2012 or so, maybe 2011. That's awesome. There was a whole bunch of no trespassing signs back there before, and the way that the water was, I wasn't sure. That was before I really got into a lot of the attaining and stuff, so I was really worried in the past about being able to not get up if I went down, but it's not a big deal, especially at this level. It's like 400 CFS today. It's pretty low. I mean, actually really low, but this rapid is still really fluffy at this level. But enough of that. Let's go on ahead and do what we actually came here for, punch up. Let's get it. Woo. Yo, one thing I thought I should mention, crew, is it's raining earlier, and it rained on me on my way over here, but it's turned out to be a pretty nice day so far. Calling for a ton of rain next week. It'll be interesting to see what actually happens. So enough of that. We're gonna keep on punching up river. Let's get it. Ew. Yo, what's going on, crew? So while we're here, I figured I'd give you a little bit of the history of Erwin Mill, a little bit of my history with it at least. So this is like the first real kind of whitewater run we were doing. I mean, we've done a few things on the Reedy and stuff like that, but as far as kind of it's not continuous whitewater, but as far as longer rapids instead of just like these plop and drop things, this was the first real run that we done, and it was a blast. And then I stopped paddling it for forever because I didn't really have anybody to run local stuff with until I met up with the holla guy. And then me and him ended up doing it one day on accident. Yeah, you see I turned broadside to this thing. But yeah, we ended up doing it on accident, and the way that happened is because we went to run the green was supposed to be releasing at 200%, went up there and the green wasn't releasing at all. So I told him about this, and I was like, I hadn't ran it, we could try it. And we rushed down, bombed this run, and I mean, like, it wasn't the fastest run we done because the water was a little lower than some of the big water runs me and him have done. But the problem was we didn't have much light, so we had to hammer it with what we had. And we ended up getting to the takeout right before it got dark. So enough of that. I'm going ahead and keep exploring. Woo. Yo, what's going on, crew? As I thought I was coming to a familiar place, I come around this bend and I start to see, dude, they vlogged the crap out of this. I mean, it's still pretty fresh, I think. Like, I can smell it. Dude, that's wild. This place looks nothing like how it did before. All right, let's keep punching up. Yo, what's going on, crew? So I know where this spot is. Me and one of my buddies stopped and took a break there. This is when you first start to see the clearing over there on that side where the deer stand and all that stuff is. But enough of that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and head back because the clouds are starting to look worse, and there's no reason to get caught out here in this. It'd be different if I started out in it, but I don't really want to get caught out in it. All right, let's get it. Yoo! Yo, what's going on, crew? So as you see, I'm out here filming another video. Just got back from the race on Joe Cassie, but enough of that. I'm gonna go in there and hit y'all with this week's quote and get out of here. Be and believe in the change you wish to see. Let's get it, y'all. Yoo!